In the vast expanses of our universe, stars are not always the peaceful, distant twinkling lights we see from Earth. They can have violent, cataclysmic interactions. Now, imagine a stellar neighborhood, a bustling city of stars swarming around a supermassive black hole. This locale is not for the faint-hearted, as stars here often collide and merge in an extreme environment. Such stellar collisions are not just random acts of cosmic violence. They have a profound effect on the stars involved, often creating what we might call zombie stars. These are stars that appear youthful, vibrant, and full of life, but in reality, they are the strange survivors of violent collisions. These stars lose mass, get stripped down, or merge, giving them a rejuvenated look. These survivors of stellar collisions provide us with valuable insights into the history of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and the extreme environment near its center. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of stellar collisions and their strange, zombie-like survivors. Firstly, let's unravel the mystery of youthful stars orbiting the Milky Way's central supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, a place of high-speed chaos and constant change. Now, a recent study from Northwestern University, led by Sanaya C. Rose, provides an intriguing insight into this celestial conundrum. The researchers have found that these stars appear youthful due to violent collisions and mergers. It's a bit like a cosmic facelift, if you will. So how does this work? Well, when stars collide or merge, they can lose mass, becoming stripped down in the process. This mass loss can cause the star to appear rejuvenated, a bit like shedding old skin. In other instances, two stars might merge to form a single larger star. This new star is essentially born from the remnants of its parents, hence its youthful appearance. But there's more to it than just appearances. These rejuvenated stars provide us with a unique perspective into the history of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. They are the living record of the tumultuous life near a supermassive black hole. By studying these stars, we can gain a better understanding of the extreme environment near the galactic center and the forces that shape our universe. It seems that in the universe, age is but a number. Stars can appear young again after a catastrophic collision. Now, imagine the chaos at the heart of our galaxy. It's a crowded, high-speed region heavily influenced by a supermassive black hole. The galactic center is like a bustling city in rush hour, where stars are the vehicles, moving at high speeds, trying to maintain their orbits. But it's not just the sheer number of stars that makes this region extreme. The real game changer is the supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, lurking in the shadows, its gravitational pull acting as a powerful puppeteer, manipulating the paths of stars. Like a chaotic waltz, stars near the galactic center are in constant motion. Their high speeds, combined with the gravitational influence of Sagittarius A*, result in frequent close encounters. These aren't gentle brushes or soft nudges. No, these are violent, full-on collisions or near misses that can dramatically alter a star's course, or even result in a merger, where two stars become one. This intense environment near the galactic center is, essentially, a stellar battlefield. Stars collide and merge, losing mass and appearing rejuvenated, like strange, zombie-like survivors of an astronomical clash. The aftermath of these collisions is a population of stars that seem much younger than they truly are. But the story doesn't end there. The effects of these stellar collisions go beyond the individual stars. These events send ripples through the galaxy, influencing the paths of other stars and potentially triggering more collisions. It's a domino effect of cosmic proportions. And all this chaos, this constant reshaping and remolding of stars, provides us with invaluable insights into the history of the Milky Way. Each collision, each merger, tells a story of our galaxy's evolution, its past, and potentially its future. The galactic center, it seems, is a stellar demolition derby, with stars colliding, merging, and creating a chaotic spectacle. Stellar collisions are more than just cosmic fireworks. They're a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. We've journeyed through the cosmic chaos, where stars collide and merge to create surprising, youthful-looking survivors. We've uncovered how these celestial events transform stars into stripped-down versions of their former selves, or merge them to appear rejuvenated. These strange, zombie-like stars, orbiting the Milky Way's central supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A*, give us fascinating insights into the extreme environment near the galactic center. Sanaya C. Rose's groundbreaking research has shed light on this high-speed, crowded region, influenced by a supermassive black hole. This study helps us unravel the rich history of the Milky Way and offers a unique perspective on stellar populations in these extreme conditions. Next time you gaze up at the stars, remember the cosmic ballet happening far beyond our sight, where stars collide and create the strange zombie-like survivors that continue to mystify us.